Slice, if I like that, whatever you want, you can take. I am taking here A2 size. Landscape you want or portrait you want. Whatever you want, you can take. This is also okay. Fine. Okay. Click OK. Now see here, your sheet has been generated here. Okay, your sheet has been generated here. Now we have to specify the view according to our requirement. Okay. So this is the dimensioning here. This is not required. This is the main view. Like views creation is here. The first one, whenever you enter into drafting, when you select the empty sheet, now the first thing you have to do is you have to create or generate your title block. Okay. So in that case, what you have to do, first of all, you have to go for edit, sheet pattern. Edit, sheet pattern. You go there. Here you can find one option, title block and frame. Frame and title block. If you click on this icon, you can able to create your table or you can directly generate here. I will go for generate here. Title block sample 1. Like that are required. Okay. Now see it has been generated here. You can give your company name. For example, I am giving the company name here like that. I have the component name as radial engine. Engineering drawing number also you can able to specify. For example, I am giving here okay. Like weight I am giving like some 165 lbs. Maybe some 57. I will say randomly. Date when you created. I created your, for example, when 2 days ago I'm giving you 16/04/22. Check to die. I'm giving you some name randomly like and drawn by I'm giving my name for example. Or you can give your name also. Who created the drawing, write the reason. Okay. Now my title block is ready. Now what I will do, I will again go for edit, go for working. Go for it. My title block is ready here. Now we have to generate the views one by one. The first one you can find one toolbar here. That is my projection toolbar, not this one. The small one. Sub toolbar is there. So this is my main toolbar. This is view toolbar. Okay. This is my main toolbar. That one you can say as a view toolbar. Then from here onwards we have to enter creating different views. The first one is projection. Front view is asking me. Suppose for example, if I want to create the front view of the object, we can able to create with the help of this one. Means I always remember whenever you are importing the views, front view is the main view. Okay, so go for front view. After selecting this command, if I click anywhere, nothing will happen. What we will do after taking this command, we have to enter into the assembly and see here to which drawing you are for which model you are creating the drawing. That model should be opened here. So I am creating for this model, so go for this option. I want here, select the plane, which plane you require, right? Which plane you want to make as a front view. I want to make this one as a front view, for example. It will automatically create this view. Just click on this. It will generate. Now double click on that one. Right click. Properties. Here you have to give the scaling. Now see here, my front view has been generated. Okay, my front view. This is the first option for front view. What happened? Scaling later I have given. Scaling I have given later. For example, before only I want to give the scaling means you have to go for the advanced front view. So first one is front view, the next one is advanced front view. So go for advanced front view. Scaling you have to give here only. Now go for window, radial engine. Select this. This is also my front view. Understand this one? So like that we can do. This is front view, this is also front view, but the difference you can find here is, here I have taken different plane for front view, here I have taken different plane for front view. This is advanced. In advanced front view, you can specify the scaling value. That is the difference only you can find here. The next one you can find here is add projection view. So go for projection view. So which view is highlighted? See here right now, this view is highlighted. If you double click on this one, this view will become highlighted. So whatever commands later you will use, it will come for that view, that object. Okay. But right now I want for this front view. So then what I will do, I will go for this one and take the projection view. So projection view will create the different views here. So go for projection view. This is top view, bottom view, right side view, left side. Okay. So like that, different views we can able to create. So this is the 4 views we can create with the help of this projection. The next one we can find here is isometric. So go for isometric view. That one also we can able to create. Go here, select any axis according to the graphic we create, and change the scaling value to 1:6. And remember one thing, guys, whenever you are creating the isometric view here, this should be always less than the remaining views. The views which you created here now, so this should be less than this. This isometric view is always less than this view. Okay, so remember this. This is my isometric, means somewhat like 3D view, so we can say. But actually it's not a 3D view. 3D view we can able to rotate our object completely 360 degrees. Isometric view is, it's a trimetric view also we can say. Like 3 views we can able to create. Understand this one? So like that we can able to create the view. The next one is auxiliary view. Auxiliary view means, for example, if you have any component, for example, what I will do, I will go for start, mechanical part design. A new part I am creating here, for example, I am creating one sketch on this plane. Exit, pad, okay, go for chamfer on this pad. Okay, I want one hole on this face. For example, guys, just remember this value. I am giving 20 value here. This one I am giving like 10. Just remember this 20 value here. Make pocket. Now go for window, drawing, I want to take here front view under this part as, for example, this is my front view. I am taking the projected views of this one. Now see here guys, I have given the distance from center of this hole to here as 20 mm. So right now if I am trying to give the dimension, what happened here? It is coming like 14.14. Why it is like that? Why? Because it is showing the front view. So this inclined line is looking like a vertical line. So this dash distance will get reduced here. So due to which the whole center also, the position of the hole also getting different here. So in that case, what we will do is we will go for the auxiliary view. To go for auxiliary view, I want to find the view for this line. Go for auxiliary view, I want to find for this line. From here I am making this object. Now if I show the dimension for this hole as, so for the proper position of anything on an inclined faces, we require to show means we have to go for the auxiliary view. Auxiliary view means we can able to reorient our view. We can able to orient our means how we want to show our view. Like that we can able to show here with the help of this auxiliary view. Understand this one? The next option we can find here is flat pattern. For a flat pattern, we required sheet metal. See here, this command only for sheet metal objects. This we can, here we can say unfolded view. If you go for NX, we can say as a flat pattern. Okay. I want to show the unfolded view. Definitely, why? Because here I already explained in sheet metal that we have a big sheets. For that sheet, we are cutting and we are making a small component. So in that one, how much sheet we required? That one we have to find with the help of this unfolded view only. Why? Because if you take the formed views, like formed view means bends, flanges, all those things are there. That one we can say as a formed view. If you only keep the formed view, we cannot able to identify how much sheet we require for the part. So that is very difficulty we can able to see here. So that is the reason what we have to do. We have to go for this option. So what I am doing here, I am creating one sheet metal component. Okay, I'm creating one component here. Go for drawing. Working. Wall. Okay. Wall on edge. Okay. Wall on edge. And here I will be here. Okay. Wall on edge. Okay. Wall on edge. For example, this is my sheet. These bends are the these things we have to represent here in my drawing. So first of all, go for the drawing here. First, you have to create the unfolded view. Go for unfolded view. Go for start 11. Select this plane. Double click or right click. Go for properties and give the scaling light 1:2. This is your unfolded view. Then we have to specify the dimension. The two hidden lines which you are seeing here, so you can say as a bend line. Means from this location the object is bending. So like that we can able to represent. Then what you do? Don't create formed views from this plan. Like another way is like projected views not required for this one. Just we require the flat pattern or unfolded view. To this one we have to give the dimensions. Then for what is the length of the plant, those things also we have to represent. First of all, you have to show the unfolded view. Then we have to go for this one, and we have to show the remaining dimensions. Of the piece, 1:4. Then place this part here. Right. Place here. Now to this one we have to keep the project. Right. Then what is always for the distances for the plants you have to keep from outer edges. From outer edges we have to keep the dimension always. With the dimensions from this space to right. It's always be from the outer edges. Dimension. So like that we have to represent the dimensions for this object. Like we have to represent the dimensions. Okay? For these plants. Understand guys? Any doubts in this one? Any doubt?
No, sir.
The options we have to create the project. This is all the options for only projectional views. Now we get some new view, that is your sectional views. Okay. The next thing is sectional views. Sectional views we can able to create here. Suppose for example I want to see the section of this object. So go for section view. Cut your object from here to here like this. Now that view you can able to. Now it is saying that we cannot able to create a section view for this one. Why? Because it is not your active part. This is where is your active part? This is your active part, that is the village is not creating. So which one is highlighted? This is your active part. For that part only it will create the views here. So double click on that one, it will make your active part here. So go for section view. Like this. Okay. So like that we can able to create the sectional views here. The next option we can find here is section cut. The next option we can find here is section cut. What is the difference between section view and section cut? I will show you here. So go for section cut. It is showing that it is your highlighted one. This one is active view right now. We cannot be able to click for this one. So what you have to do, double click on this one. Then it will become active view. So go for this one. So this is your align section. Sometimes what happens in align section view, what we have to do, we have to show all the views here. So in that case, like section of all the views, you can go for this one. First of all, you have to make double click on this one, where this is active view too. Go for align section view. From here I am starting. Like means wherever the part is cutting, it will show you here the section. Okay, wherever the part is cutting, everything will be shown you in your section, align section view. In section view, it will show only horizontal or vertical parts. Okay, only the horizontal or vertical part it is visible here, but whereas when you go for that option, it will not show that thing. For example, here what I will do, I am taking this view now. See here the same kind of view here also will create, but with the section view. What is the difference you can find? You can able to identify here now. Now see here, it is not at all creating this thing here. Okay, why? Because in section view, it will only create the section for horizontal and vertical group. But in align section view, however you are creating in the line for each and everything, wherever it is cutting, it will show you a view for that one. Understand this one? So that is your align section view and section view. The next one we can find here is section cut. So what is the difference between offset section view, offset section cut? So in offset section view, it is creating somewhere like this. If you go for offset section cut, here, wherever it is cutting, at that exact location it will show you here. It will not show the back right portion. Here, what happened here? If you are cutting this object, it will show this back side portion completely. It is showing this complete back side portion, like this line also you can able to see here, this line. But whereas when you go for section cut, where it is cutting, that location will show. Why? Because if I am cutting here means here I have, oh, so this portion we cannot able to see here. Same as here also. So that is the difference you can find for section cut and section view. Again, the aligned section cut also same like that only. So wherever it is cutting, only that location only it will show you the view. Understand this one? This is your section cut and section view. The next thing we can find here is detail view. The next thing is detail view. For example, here I have this assembly here. Some portion is looking like very small. I want to represent this position of this, what we can say. I want to represent the position of this piston here. So it is looking very small. So what I will do, I will go for that detail view of it. So go for detail view. That portion I want to make somewhat bigger. So some error here. Why? Because this is not your active view now. Double click, make this one active view, detail view, create this one. This much area I want to show somewhat bigger. Create one separate view here. How much bigger you want, you can make. I want to make property some 1:1. That much bigger I want to show. Now see here, that much area is showing this much bigger. That is my detail view. Again, I am creating one more option. This is my detail view profile. Here we have created one circle. Right now, what I will do, I will create my profile. How the profile you require, you can create. Like that, you can able to create a profile. Nothing different we can find here. Why? Because anyhow I am clicking on outside of the boundary, so it will not show any difference there. If you click on inside of the boundary, then we can able to identify the difference here. Now see here, like that we can able to create the two views here. Detail view, circular thing, detail view profile. The next one is quick detail view. If you go for quick detail view, what it will do? Before that one, you have to activate this one. Go for quick detail view. This one I want to show as a detail view here. Complete circle portion it will show you here. Even circle is also visible here. Here it is not visible here. That is the difference you can find between quick detail view and detail view. The same other one is like that only, right? Profile. detail view, profile. So here we have to create one profile based on the profile field. So you can like like this.